Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to animate this amazing bonfire using only FlipaClip in your phone, and by the end of this video you will know how to animate this. If you want to animate that, make sure to subscribe and let's get to it. As always, let's start with the basics. Let's give the project a name. I'll call it Bonfire. I'm going to use 1080p for my canvas size, but you guys can use 720p if your phone is not strong enough. Next up, frame per second. I will be using 24 frames per second for this video, but you guys can use 12 frames per second if that works better for you. For the canvas background, I will use white, but you guys can choose any colors you like. Okay, let's create the project. The first thing we need to do before we start animating is add the sound we want to animate to. Okay, done. Now let's start drawing two guys sitting in front of a bonfire. I already have a reference image for it, so I'm just gonna add that. If you want the sound and the reference images, you can find them on my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. Okay, now let's start by renaming the layers. I'm going to call the first layer reference image, in the second layer body. Alright, we are ready. So now all we need to do is trace the reference image. I'm going to speed up the video a bit. Alright, we are done tracing everything except the fire. So for the fire, let's create a new layer and call it fire. Alright, we are done tracing the fire. Now let's start animating it. Before we do that, let's go ahead and turn on onion skin. Now let's animate. Here is the image of the fire that we are going to animate right now. You can screenshot it and add it as a reference image. Okay, I'm going to speed up the video a bit. Alright, done. Now let's go ahead to the body layer and copy the frames, then paste it into every frame. We are done with that. Now we need to match the body frames with the fire frames, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, done. Now let's sync the sound with the fire animation. As always, we just need to duplicate the frames to match the sound. Let's copy the first keyframe and paste it twice, then repeat the same thing with all the frames. Done. So now we need to copy all the frames and paste it so it will match with the sound. What I like to do for that is go to the 3 dots in the corner, click frame viewer, select everything, copy it, then deselect. After that, just select the last frame and click paste and repeat it again. Now we have got this. So that was the video for today. Guys, I'm really sorry I couldn't show you everything in one video, but like I said, my phone cannot handle it. I will show you the rest in another video. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments what you think. Bye!